Hello and welcome to the DIY session on clutch cable replacement. Did you ever feel your clutch is hard? If so, there might be a cable issue. Getting it checked or replaced will help you commence a safe journey. But it's equally important to know how to replace a clutch cable. Let's look at a step-by-step process to change your clutch cable. To start with, ensure you have the following tools: 12 mm open end spanner, a screwdriver, 4 mm and 6 mm Allen key, 10 mm T-spanner, 14 mm box spanner, a spare clutch cable. It is always recommended that you use a genuine Benelli clutch cable, which you can easily purchase from an authorized Benelli service center near you. Once all the items are in place, put your motorcycle in an upright position on the center stand. Remove both the side panels to remove seat using 10 mm T-spanner and 14 mm box spanner. Now, with the help of 6 mm Allen key, remove tank mounting bolts. Disconnect fuel hose and its coupler and remove the tank. Now loosen the lock nut on the right hand side of the engine by using a 13 mm spanner. Now push the clevis shaft upward and remove the clutch cable ball end from its housing. Remove the rubber grommet and the rear nut from the cable and keep them aside safely. Once done, remove the clutch cable from the clutch cover bracket and the lock nut and store it safely. Gently pull out the clutch cable from its housing. Now loosen the adjuster nut near the clutch lever. Mildly press the clutch lever completely and slide the clutch out from the bracket. Also remove the clutch cable from the cable tie. Now take out the ball end and pull out the clutch cable from its housing. Take the new clutch cable and insert it into its housing. Now press the clutch lever fully and position the adjuster nut. Tighten the adjuster nut to the end with the help of a screwdriver. Insert the lock nut into the threads. Insert the cable into its brackets on the right hand side of the engine. Screw in the rear end nut and put back the rubber grommet in its place. Slide the clevis shaft and insert the ball end into its slot. Finally, tighten the rear end nut. Now connect back the fuel hose and its coupler to the fuel tank. Install back the fuel tank to its position and tighten its mounting bolts. Once the new cable is installed, check for free play. Remember, when you turn the handlebar to the left, the free play of the clutch lever should be between 5 to 10 mm. Ensure free movement of the cable in the sleeve as well, and do not use any solvent or wash the inner cable. To gain the best performance from your Benelli, always replace the clutch cable as per the maintenance schedule. Your clutch cable is now replaced and your Benelli is ready to roar.